All right, guys, so we're going to start off nice and easy. And we're going to do an open book. Because this is a DVD about a book.
Now we're going to draw an open book. Step 1. Draw an angled line with a flying bird shape on the top. Step 2. Add a slight diagonal line to the left wing. Step 3. Turn that line you just drew into a rectangle. Notice the short lines of that shape are at an angle. Step 4. Create two curves and one line to indicate the far end of the book. Add a flying bird shape to the bottom like you did in Step 2. Step 5. Add a curve at the far end of the book and a dented line at the base as shown. Erase the dotted area. Step 6. Add a book cover underneath. Add a curve in the middle of the book and draw lines at the edges to indicate book cover thickness. Step 7. Finally, add lines for pages and add extras to make it more interesting.